What's up, guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got the GE Dehumidifier. I just wanted to make a quick video on. So the model number is APEL50LZQ1. So this is a really great dehumidifier. You turn it on and within a couple hours the tank's full, and it just works great. It's an all-around great dehumidifier. But the one thing that my stupid self did was, when I was unboxing it, I started pulling all the styrofoam out from all the crevices and pulling all the tape off, doing the whole thing. And this right here had styrofoam in it. Well, it still does. So I painstakingly pulled this out. It was jammed in there really well, and I pulled it out thinking it was part of the packaging. And I put this back down, I put it in, turned it on, and 5 hours later I noticed water coming from it, and it's supposed to auto stop. And you can use a tube, and then you'd have to pull this, insert your tube, and then put that into a drain, and it'll run non-stop, and it'll just pump the water out when it gets full. But I didn't want to do that because I was running it upstairs and I didn't have a drain. So I figured I would just use the auto stop feature. And yeah, so this is in there for a reason. And a lot of you might be laughing and saying, yeah, dummy, we know that. But if this video helps one person not make the mistake I did, then the video was worth making. So I threw this away and then took the garbage out, and then realized that I needed the styrofoam piece because this acts as a float. The styrofoam acts as a float, so when the water level gets high enough, it makes the styrofoam float and it turns it off. So that's an auto stop. So without that in there, it'll just keep filling up, and it'll eventually spill over, and you'll have water all over your place. So keep that styrofoam in. And then also just some quick features. There's your power, tells you when the filter needs to be cleaned. You could increase or decrease the humidity, and then the fan speed. You could put a delay on, and then you could turn the pump on if you're going to be running a hose out. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Don't be like me. Keep that piece of styrofoam in there. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.